Mel's Kitchen, and thank you for all of the subscribers. And for those who did not subscribe yet, please don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Today we will be making pork barbecue. Our ingredients are 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. We also need 1/2 of onion cut and 3 cloves of garlic. Also, we need spring onion, like 2 tablespoons of spring onion. We need 3 tablespoons of sesame oil plus 1 tablespoon of just the regular oil. We also need 1/3 cup of soy sauce and 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. First, we will mix all the ingredients in a blender. We'll put in our garlic and onion here. Okay. Our sugar, salt and pepper. Our soy sauce. Our pineapple juice. And our sesame oil. And the regular oil, okay? Okay. We will now then blend this one. Now our barbecue sauce is ready. Okay, now we will just add our barbecue sauce, the one that we made, to our pork. We just want to make sure that it's all mixed together. Now we want to leave this on and marinated for 30 minutes. Okay. Now that we have marinated our pork for 30 minutes, we are now ready to grill it. First, we will set or preheat our indoor grilling machine for 5 minutes before we put in our pork, okay? smells good. Now we will just grill it. Usually for pork, we have to cook it for an hour, or maybe sometimes less. It depends on if we see that the pork is already done. But for me, I prefer to cook it like for an hour, because it's pork, you know, it's not chicken or fish, so we really want it to be really cooked inside. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay, now that we can see the scorch mark on the other side, we can invert it. Okay. And wait till it's fully cooked. Okay, we just turn our pork based on our preference of how you would like our meat. Some wants it rare, some wants it medium rare, some wants it well done. So I love my meat to be well done. And this one looks good already. Now for the tasting part, we will just cut a small piece of it and we will see how it tastes. Oh, it's still hot. It tastes yummy and delicious. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing from MELS Kitchen. Take care and God bless. Bon appetit!